Unmanned aircraft, such as drones, do not have a crew or passengers. The United States and Britain created Wi-Fi and radio transmitters to remotely control them during the First World War. In Vietnam, drones were a crucial component of military conflict. It's still debatable whether or not this usage is mostly for reconnaissance. More and more often, drones are used to spy from above and monitor the ground below. However, advocates for this technology claim that drones are necessary to monitor the operation of terrorist groups in isolated locations and, in some situations, eliminate adversaries from a safe distance. Position. One of the most crucial drones in the U.S. military is this odd-looking one. It is the first unmanned aircraft to be based on an aircraft carrier. The Boeing MQ-25 has been referred to as a stingray in the sky due to its flat profile and dark gray appearance, as seen above on the deck of the U.S. George H.W. Bush, after being awarded a deal worth over $800 million. By 2024, 4 MQ-25s will be produced, according to Boeing. Their main function will be airborne refueling. The distance is greatly increased when refueling in midair. The Navy jets can. The aircraft must be capable of transporting 15,000 pounds of fuel to 4 to 6 aircraft over a distance of 500 miles, according to the Navy. First, the MQ-25 demonstrated its ability to refuel flight in June 2021 during this test over Illinois farms. Both aircraft successfully landed after the refueling was finished, at which point the hose was retracted from the drone. According to the program manager for the Navy, this test success proves it is. An unmanned aircraft gives the carrier air wing more range flexibility and capabilities, while freeing up Navy attack fighters from the tanker role. Other nations are utilizing drone technology as well. In collaboration with Boeing, the Royal Australian Air Force created the MQ-28 Ghost Bat drone. It has the name of the ghost bat, an Australian native mammal famous for banding together in 8 engineers, claimed that the name to detect and hunt accurately captures the special qualities of the aircraft's sensors, intelligent surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. The creation of this drone, known as the Neuron, was spearheaded by European countries. The countries of France, Italy, Sweden, Spain, Greece, and Switzerland worked together to create the Neuron. The Neuron program's objective was to bring these allies up to speed, the latest technology for unmanned aircraft. Although it can be used for military operations, the Neuron's primary goal, according to the program's website, is to give European aircraft design bureaus a project that will increase their technological prowess and knowledge in the field of unmanned aircraft. The Neuron is 32 feet long and 5 tons in weight. It has a 41-foot wingspan with a Rolls-Royce turbo mecha door engine. On December 1st, 2012, the Neuron took off for the first time from France. 2.5 years later, in March 2015, flight trials in France to assess its stealth capabilities were successfully accomplished. Trials for sensor evaluation followed those experiments in Italy. Live fire experiments were part of the final flight tests, which were conducted in Sweden. The Neuron project accomplished more than only technologically, however, diplomatically. This drone is evidence that multiple nations can collaborate to create and operate cutting-edge technology. The Neuron's collaborative effort is thus a form of insurance for the participating countries. Each is aware that they can rely on the other leaders to work together and support one another in future confrontations. USDS. Drones are not just airborne. Alternatively, unmanned surface vehicles run without a driver or any crew members. Today, USVs are being utilized increasingly frequently for a variety of tasks, including cargo transportation and environmental and oceanographic monitoring. A seagoing catamaran-style drone, the Seacat. It is intended to be used for remotely or automatically controlled inspection and survey missions on offshore installations. The inflated lateral tubes of the Seacat are constructed of aluminum, making it lighter and more shockproof. Searching for naval mines also makes use of unmanned surface vehicles. Explosives positioned in or on the ocean floor are known as naval mines. Destroy or damage ships or submarines. Unmanned vehicles defend ships by identifying and intercepting the mines before they make contact with a larger passenger, since the mines are set off by the approach of or touch with any vessel. The Naval Undersea Warfare Center in Northrop Grumman collaborated to build the AQS-24B mine hunter, which is currently being used to scour the ocean for these dangers. It is the first unmanned surface vessel for mine warfare in the U.S. Navy. Sonar and laser scanners with a small submarine-like shape. The underwater drone looks for surface and subsurface buried mines. The 24AQS focuses on the three main issues that make mine warfare a problem. It first shortens the time needed for mine clearing. The identification and classification of underwater objects of interest are improved too. And finally, keeping the sailor significantly increases crew safety. The minefield examples illustrate how unmanned devices may support the human mind in real time. Combative actions. From solar electricity to an engine, this autonomous ship has a futuristic appearance. As part of an ongoing relationship between the U.S. Navy and all components of the Royal Navy of the United Kingdom, the sail drone was tested in the Arabian Gulf in October 2022. I appreciate your help with this. The sail drone's US-based manufacturers claim that because it is solar-powered and leaves no carbon footprint, it is environmentally benign. In terms of military technology, unmanned aircraft and surface ships, known as drones, are unquestionably the new superpower. Save time, manpower, and energy. They also save lives in times of war. Aerial drones can effortlessly watch every individual in the globe from a safe distance and are now frequently utilized in surveillance and reconnaissance tasks. This video has come to an end. I trust you had fun with it. To ensure that you don't miss any of our fresh content, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you later.